We analyzed all the How Much YouTube Paid Me videos to give you an idea about how much money you can make from YouTube based on where you are on your YouTube journey and how many subscribers you have. In this video, you'll see how much money different YouTubers make, and from the time they had 1,000 subscribers all the way to 450,000 subscribers, as well as the steps they took to get to where they are, and what you can learn from them. But first, let's talk about how you can get monetized on YouTube. If you're new to your YouTube journey and you want to get monetized, you'll need to get 1,000 subscribers and a total of 4,000 watch hours on your videos. If you go on your Creator Studio and click on monetization, you'll see how close you are in meeting these criteria. Once you meet all the minimum criteria, you can apply to get monetized. The first step is to review and accept YouTube's partner program terms, which outlines certain things that'll get your videos demonetized, such as inappropriate language, violence, and adult content. The next step is to create a Google AdSense account and link that to your YouTube so that you can get paid from ads on your videos. Once you're done with steps 1 and 2, you can submit your application for a review. If you get approved, you'll get an email like this. From there, you can go and configure your channel's monetization settings and decide what type of ads you want to have appear on your videos. 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers. Let's start with Yana Chambers, who, at the time of posting her How Much YouTube Paid Me video, had 1,000 subscribers on her vlog channel in a span of 7 months, from October 2021 to May 2022. Yana made a total of $420. Next is Tatenda Heneni with 4,600 subscribers. Of the 6 videos alone, she made a total of $3,612. In comparison, YouTuber @McDogsy, who runs a gaming channel with 6,500 subscribers, only made $284 off his 2 most viewed videos 1 year after posting them. Meanwhile, Alexis Eldridge had 8,500 subscribers on her channel when she posted a video, saying that she made a total of $3,667 from January to June of 2022. From these figures, you can expect to make anywhere from $400 to $3,500 if you're just starting on your YouTube journey. But what if you hit 20,000 subscribers or more? Let's see how much YouTubers Catherine Manning and Martinina Ecchio make when they had 20,000 to 50,000 subscribers. Catherine's vlog channel currently has 24,800 subscribers. In 2021, she made a total of $10,217 from ad revenue. On the other hand, Martinina Ecchio, who at the time of posting her How Much YouTube Paid Me video, had 48,000 subscribers, which is double that of Catherine's. But she made the same amount of money from June 2020 to June 2021, totaling $10,462. Making $10,000 a year isn't really something you can live off of, but keep in mind that this is only from ad revenue, which is just going to be one of your many income streams as a YouTuber. And there are many ways you can significantly increase this number, which we'll get to in a minute. First, please hit that subscribe button. Let's see how much money you can make if you have over 100,000 subscribers in your channel. YouTuber Jesse Eckel made a total of $43,724 in ad revenue from April to December of 2021. But he made 85% of that just from October to December, when his channel blew up from having only 21,000 subscribers in September to more than 100,000 by the end of December. In comparison, Catherine Manning's main YouTube channel had almost 200,000 subscribers in 2020, but it took her a full year to make $45,000 from ad revenue. It also took her a year to get her channel to over 450,000 subscribers. That year, her total ad revenue was just a few dollars short of $100,000. A third of that income was from her top 5 most viewed videos, which generated a total of $36,000 by the end of 2021. What's really interesting is 3 of these 5 videos were posted in 2019, and they were still generating lots of money 2 years later, which gets us to our next point. Growing your YouTube channel means playing the long game. While there are a handful of YouTubers who were lucky to experience overnight success, that happens very rarely. For most of us, it takes quite a long time and a considerable amount of effort just to get to a point where you could quit your job and make YouTube videos full-time. YouTuber Abdal had been doing YouTube for 6 months.
So it took me 52 videos to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Right when he was about to give up, his 85th video blew up and earned a total of $24,000 in ad revenue. Now he has almost 4 million subscribers, and his most viewed video made over $100,000. Eric had to make and upload 200 videos before seeing his first dollar from YouTube, and it took him more than 5 years to get 12 million subscribers. Now he makes an average of $100,000 a month. Darman started doing YouTube in 2018, and it took him 1 year to get monetized. Now he has over 17 million subscribers and reportedly makes $340,000 a month on YouTube ad revenue alone. In short, getting successful on YouTube takes a lot of effort, determination, and patience. But eventually, all that effort is going to pay off. It may start slow, but once you gain momentum, you're likely going to see exponential growth. The key is to keep making videos. According to YouTube Buddy, it takes an average of 152 videos before YouTubers can get monetized. But the beauty of it is once you get monetized, you'll also make money from videos you've already uploaded. So those videos aren't just a stepping stone, they're going to make you money and they're going to keep making you money for years to come. For example, one of Ali Abdaal's videos didn't get a lot of views until almost 6 months after he uploaded it. In the next 2 years, views climbed to 4 million and are still climbing today. So far, that video alone made Ali over $87,000. And even if none of your videos go massively viral, the more videos you upload, the more views you're going to accumulate. Think of it this way. If you're a relatively small YouTuber, getting 10,000 views from one video might be hard, but getting 1,000 views from each 10 videos is way easier. You really need many videos to add to your catalog so they can all generate income for years to come, and even if those videos is just getting 10 views a day. Plus, the more videos you have on your channel, the easier it's for YouTube's algorithm to track who's watching your videos, meaning the algorithm will be able to target these individuals and recommend your videos to the right people. It's also important to upload videos regularly because not only will you get the views from that video you recently uploaded, whoever watches that video will also likely click on your other videos, which means that your older videos will also get new views. Back-to-back views across multiple videos build session duration, which is a critical metric for YouTube's algorithm. And the more videos you have, the more views you could potentially get off of one viewer. Take Martinina Akio, for example. She only posted one video in October 2021 and made a little over $100. The following month, she started doing collabs with other YouTubers and made 5 times as much money. Her subscribers also jumped from 820 to 2,600. Then in December, Martinina started posting videos every single day. She gained an additional 4,000 subscribers and made almost $3,000. If you think that's just a fluke, let's take a look at Darman and Gweeblabop. They're pretty close in terms of subscribers on their channel, but Darman makes $340,000 a month, whereas Gweeblabop only makes $45,000. The key difference? Gweeblabop only uploads twice a month, while Darman uploads every single day. Of course, how often you upload and how many subscribers you have are just 2 of the many different factors that affect how much money you can make from YouTube. There's also how many views you can get from your videos and what your videos are about, so watching them and where these viewers are from, and so on. If you want to learn more about these, watch the next video.